Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. With the announcement of the release date for incarcerated reggae artist Buju Banton, plans are being made for the Untold Story singer's post-prison performance. Last weekend, Banton's team made an announcement on social media of his Long Walk to Freedom tour that is scheduled for the summer of next year. The tour dates and locations have not yet been released. Long Walk to Freedom will host a series of shows that will feature Buju Banton, who is best known for tracks such as Not an Easy Road, Destiny, Champion, Driver, among others. The DJ's post-prison performances sparked controversy in March when it was announced that his first concert will be held in Trinidad on April 22. The announcement was made by the DJ's team aboard the Love and Harmony cruise. Buju Banton is slated to be released from a U.S. federal prison, the McRae Correctional Facility in Georgia, on December 8, where he is serving a 10-year sentence on drug-related charges. Dancehall artist Chin Ching has released his anticipated debut album, Turning Tables. The 21-track compilation boasts various mixes and collaborations. The album is produced by Grammy Award-winning artist Sean Paul's Dirty Rock Productions and features appearances from Bounty Killer and Fatman Scoop, Afrobeat stars Pata Rankin from Nigeria and Stonebwoy from Ghana, among others. Turning Tables features the songs like Breadfruit, Crickneck featuring Sean Paul, I Shall and I Will, Top Boss, Money Matter, among others. Turning Tables chronicles Chin Ching's struggles and life experiences. Ching explained the reason for choosing the name of that album, saying that he turned nothing into something, so he's giving thanks for nothing because it gave him the drive to have something.
You remember the days when we used to walk with the carpet? The carpet will weigh 160 pounds, I'm a weigh 120 pounds. I'm a carry the carpet that go on every dance, every street dance, go roll it out just to make a name. Remember when we used to wear all clothes on the carpet before me got brand? Now it's a turning table.
Turning Tables is currently available on all digital platforms. Now, reggae crooner Romain Virgo popped the question to his longtime girlfriend Elizabeth.
Today I'm the most excited, or exciting is the word, nervous at the same time, human being on earth. Today I'm getting nearly married.
Yeah, jump the gun.
The Rich in Love singer shared the special moment with his fans through the release of his new music video for the single In This Together, which also serves as a proposal video. A nervous yet excited Virgo gave a hint of what's about to happen during the video.
You know, this is my very first photo shoot with myself and my girlfriend. And in the midst of this photo shoot, I'll be proposing to her. It's gonna be beautiful. I hope it turns out beautiful. You know, we're way up in the hills. She has no idea about what is gonna happen. So, you know, I hope everything turns out good. And I hope she will say yes.
Fans immediately began sending congratulatory messages to the two lovebirds. In This Together is the fourth track that is featured on Romain Virgo's album Lovesick. The album was released on March 30. Congrats to Elizabeth and Romain. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.